Ready. To make our face mask, we need 2 pieces of fabric of 9 inches long and 7 inches wide. We need 2 pieces of this. We also need an interfacing. We need a tape measure. We need elastic 7 inches wide. We need 2 pieces. We need a sewing thread and a scissors. Now to start with our face mask, place your interfacing, which will serve as the filter, on your table. Then place the 2 pieces of fabrics on the interfacing, the right sides facing each other. We are going to be sewing the long side, the length. Now sew the 2 long sides with 1/2 inch. Now turn the fabric on top to the other side of the interfacing. So we have this. Now, so as you can see, the interfacing is at the middle of the fabric. So the next thing you do is to fold this width side inward by 1/2 inch. Do that to the 2 sides. You can see I've folded it in by 1/2 inch. So the next thing for me to do is to fix in my elastic. Place one at the edge, place one edge at the corner like this, and the other one at the other corner, then sew. Now the next thing we need to do is to make our pleats. Mark 1 inch like this. After the 1 inch, mark 1.5 inches like this. After the 1.5 inches, mark 2 inches like this. We are going to use all these markings to form our pleat. So the first one is the 1 inch. Where the 1 inch ends, make a pleat with the 1.5 inches that follows. Then the 2 inches that follows, use that to make another pleat like this. So you can see our nose mask is ready. Here it is. After the pleat, then sew all round like this.